Well, we have three big things to talk about today in their wind, rain, and Sierra snow. So let's talk about where and when you're going to see these. So today we could see gusts today up to 60 miles per hour in the valley. So 25 to 40 mile per hour sustained winds, and then those gusts up to 60 miles per hour. In the mountains, we could see gusts up to 80 miles per hour, and mixed with really heavy snow, that could cause some major visibility issues as well. So difficult to near impossible travel at times in the Sierra with that snowy weather and those gusty winds. In terms of rainfall, 1.5 to 3 inches of valley rain. We could see 1 to 4 inches in the foothills, and then we will have thunderstorm chances as well today. In terms of snow totals, now we're looking at feet, so 2 to 4 feet above 4,500 feet, and then up to 6 feet at the highest peak. So substantial rain, substantial snow, and then also very strong winds. We do have a high wind warning in effect through Monday morning, and that means damaging winds, outages, down trees, and power lines are all possible. So you definitely want to be prepared in the event of an outage. So in terms of flooding, we do have a flood watch through Tuesday morning. So possible flooding of creeks, streams, also streets as well when we see some drainage concerns. So watch out for clogged drains if you see some leaves in there. And then also we could see some rising river levels as well. Here behind me, shaded in pink, this is a winter storm warning. It goes through Tuesday morning. And like I said, very heavy snow, difficult to impossible travel conditions. And at times we could see some whiteout conditions as well. Now, once again, in addition to our rainfall, our snow, and our wind, we also have chances for some thunderstorms in the area as well. Here's our 10-day forecast. You can see tomorrow we're bringing the rain with us, staying rainy through the week, have a little bit of a break on Wednesday, and then we look to clear out by next weekend.